Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is The One. Today I'm going to show you how to record your screen on Windows 11. Screen recording can be an incredibly useful tool. If you're a video creator, have plans to become one, or share gaming or demonstrational content, this could be something you use all the time. While taking a screenshot on Windows 11 couldn't be easier, knowing how to record your screen on a desktop or laptop isn't as obvious. Follow these steps to learn how to screen record on Windows 11. Recording your screen in Windows 11 allows you to capture anything that's taking place on the screen, just like you'd record something with a camera. You can record a process or just something funny you'd like to share with others or save for later. Thankfully, Windows 11 has a built-in application for recording your screen, but there are other methods as well. Record any portion of your screen or the whole screen with Screen Recorder in Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool comes as part of Windows 11 and is also available via the Microsoft Store. Snipping Tool already allows you to take an image from your screen, but now it also allows you to select a portion of your screen and start video recording. To open Snipping Tool, simply search for it in the Start menu search box. In the top toolbar, press the Record button, then press New. Click to drag and drop a rectangle indicating the portion of the screen you would like to record. Press Start and you will see a 3-second countdown begin for your recording. After you finish, press Stop. Your recording can then be copied into memory, shared via the Share dialog, or saved. By default, it will be saved in the Videos folder. This is the easiest way to record your screen. However, there are some limitations currently that you should know about. Record in a snap with Xbox Game Bar. Xbox Game Bar is built right into Windows 11 as a native application, but it is also available as an add-on. The Game Bar has several features specifically related to gaming, like access to game-specific widgets and the ability to chat with friends while playing Xbox games. It also has a widget for capturing and recording your screen. To open the Xbox Game Bar, press Windows +G or search for it directly in the Start menu search box. Select the camera icon to open a window for capturing your screen. From here, you can choose to record your screen as a video or a screenshot. Thank you for watching my video and for sharing your thoughts and feedback. It helps me improve and create better content. Please subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest content on YouTube.